Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Dodge Caravan. We'll cover the simple steps to get your device paired, enabling you to make hands-free calls and stream your favorite audio. Plus, I'll share some helpful tips for resolving any connection problems you might encounter, ensuring a smooth experience on the road. First, ensure Bluetooth is active on your phone. Then, in your Caravan, press the phone button on the Uconnect touchscreen. Select Add Device or Pair Device from the menu. Your Uconnect system will then display a 4-digit PIN. Enter this PIN on your phone when prompted to complete the pairing process. Once paired, your phone seamlessly integrates with your Caravan's Uconnect system. You can now make and receive calls hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. Easily stream music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through the vehicle's speakers. Utilize voice commands for added convenience, and control the audio volume using your steering wheel or dashboard controls. If you encounter connection issues, start by confirming Bluetooth is active on both your phone and the Caravan. Try deleting any old, unused devices from your Uconnect system's paired list. A simple restart of your phone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Also, verify your phone's compatibility with the Uconnect system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.